welcome to this video on cognitive bias in accounting decisions. Accounting is often thought of as purely objective, dealing with number and financial rules. However, human judgment play a major role in accounting decisions. Every account auditor or manager brings their own perceptions, experience, and biases to the table. Cognitive biases are systematic errors in judgment that can affect decisions making. These biases can impact financial reporting, budgeting, auditing, and even strategies by business decisions. By understanding these biases, accountants and managers can make more accurate and transparent decisions, reducing error and improving organizational outcomes. Let's look at some of the most common cognitive biases in accounting. First, overconfidence bias. This happens when accountants or managers overestimate their knowledge or ability. For example, an overconfident author may underestimate the risk of misstatement or ignore warning sign in financial statement. Second, an anchoring bias. This occurs when people rely too heavily on the first piece of information they see. For instance, if an initial budget estimate is high, subsequent financial decision might be anchored to that number, even if unrealistic. Third, confirmation bias. This is the tendency to seek or interpret information that support existing belief while ignoring contradictory evidence. In accounting, they can lead to overlooking errors or misreporting financial performance. Fourth, framing effect. The way information is presented can change decision. For example, describing a project as 80% successful versus 20% failure can influence risk assessment difference, even though the numbers are the same. Finally, hoarding behavior. Sometimes accountants or managers follow what others are going instead of making independent judgment. This can happen as investment decision, revenue cognitive, or compliance practice, leading to widespread error in the group is wrong. So, how does cognitive biases affect accounting practice? First, biases can distort financial analysis and reporting. Decision influenced by overconfidence or uncovering can misrepresent companies' real financial conditions. Second, budgeting and forecasting can be affected. For example, confirmation bias might cause managers to ignore early signs of underperformance, resulting in unrealistic forecasts. Third, accounting judgment are also impacted. An auditor influenced by framing or hoarding behavior may fail to detect error or misstatement, reducing audit quality. Overall, these biases can lead mislocation, research, or poor financial planning and error in financial statement. Awareness of these biases key is to improving reliability and decision making accurately in accounting. So, why is understanding a cognitive bias important for managers and accountants? First, recognizing biases help identify and correct judgment error. When we are aware of our own tendencies, we can take steps to mitigate their impact. Second, it's improve auditing, risk assessment, and financial planning. By reduced bias, managers and accountants can make more objective and ethical decisions. Third, understanding cognitive bias bridges the gap between numbers and human behavior. Accounting is not just about rules, it's about how humans interpret and act on financial information. In summary, cognitive biases are unavoidable, but awareness and corrective strategies can minimize their negative effects. By applying the insight, accounting decisions become more accurate, reliable, and ethical. Thank you for watching, and remember, even in accounting, understanding the human mind is as important as understanding the numbers. Bye-bye!